Hi, I'm Dr. Osman. Dear colleagues, while preparing mockup with Blender, we can use the sculpting tools like we are doing a conventional wax-up. We have the possibility to add a certain amount of layer on the tooth surfaces. We can define the thickness of the layer and easily create the line angles of the teeth. Using this method, we can create different forms on the same case in a few minutes. Also, we have more control over the design. Then, we can show the mock-up design on screen or print the model and continue conventionally. There are a lot more useful features in Blender. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please make sure you like the videos, subscribe and share it with your colleagues. Bye!